Current Affairs MCQs, Part 2. What does HMPV stand for? A. Human metapneumovirus. B. Human mycoplasma virus. C. Human multipathogen virus. D. Human molecular virus. Correct answer is human metapneumovirus. What type of earthquakes occur in the Himalayan region? A. Volcanic earthquakes. B. Tectonic earthquakes. C. Collapse earthquakes. D. Human-induced earthquakes. Correct answer is tectonic earthquakes. Which city in the Himalayan region is considered to be at high risk of earthquake damage? A. Kathmandu. B. New Delhi. C. Lahore. D. Dhaka. Correct answer is New Delhi. Which two tectonic plates are responsible for the Himalayan region's seismic activity? A. Indian and African plates. B. Eurasian and North American plates. C. Indian and Eurasian plates. D. Australian and Antarctic plates. Correct answer is Indian and Eurasian plates. How deep was the 7.1 magnitude earthquake which struck Tibet on January 7, 2025? A. 5 kilometers. B. 10 kilometers. C. 15 kilometers. D. 20 kilometers. Correct answer is 10 kilometers. Where did the 7.1 magnitude earthquake strike on January 7, 2025? A. Near the Nepal-India border. B. Near the Nepal-Tibet border. C. Near the Pakistan-India border. D. Near the China-India border. Correct answer is near the Nepal-Tibet border. What was the location of the epicenter of the 7.1 magnitude earthquake? A. 80 kilometers south of Mount Everest. B. 80 kilometers north of Mount Everest. C. 100 kilometers east of Mount Everest. D. 100 kilometers west of Mount Everest. Correct answer is 80 kilometers north of Mount Everest. Which country has recently launched the CR450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? A. China. B. South Korea. C. Russia. D. Pakistan. Correct answer is China. HMPV primarily causes infections in which system of the human body? A. Digestive system. B. Nervous system. C. Respiratory system. D. Circulatory system. Correct answer is respiratory system. Which country first reported an outbreak of HMPV in 2001? A. China. B. Netherlands. C. United States. D. India. Correct answer is Netherlands. Who is the current Federal Minister of National Food Security? A. Rana Tanveer Hussain. B. Tariq Bashir Chima. C. Khawaja Saad Rafiq. D. None of these. Correct answer is Rana Tanveer Hussain. What was the voter turnout in the PB45 Quetta by-election? A. 25.5%. B. 30.12%. C. 35.36%. D. 40.45%. Correct answer is 35.36%. Who retained his seat in the Balochistan Assembly from PB45 Quetta in the by-election? A. Nazar al-Aziri. B. Mir Usman Furqani. C. Ali Madad Jadak. D. Maulana Abdul Wasi. Correct answer is Ali Madad Jadak. Which political party won the Quetta by-elections in Balochistan on January 5, 2025? A. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI. B. Pakistan People's Party, PPP. C. Pashtunkhwa National Awami Party, PKNAP. D. Jamiat Ulama-e-Islam, F. Correct answer is Pakistan People's Party. Scrub typhus, that was recently seen in news, is caused by which agent? A. Virus. B. Fungus. C. Bacteria. D. Protozoa. Correct answer is bacteria. What percentage increase in violence was observed in Pakistan in 2024 compared to the previous year? A. 55%. B. 66%. C. 73%. D. 49%. Correct answer is 66%. How many security personnel lost their lives in 2024 amid terror attacks in Pakistan? A. 444. B. 685. C. 925. D. 1,612. Correct answer is 685. Which province in Pakistan reported the highest number of polio cases in 2024? A. Punjab. B. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. C. Balochistan. D. Sindh. Correct answer is Balochistan. Which is the oldest medical university of Pakistan? A. University of the Punjab, Lahore. B. King Edward Medical University, Lahore. C. University of Agriculture, Faisalabad. D. Sindh Madrasatul Islam University, Karachi. Correct answer is King Edward Medical University, Lahore.